I just saw 1 kk. I just saw 1 kk right now. Like, guys, I'm not going to end this video. Guys, I'm going to be able to say anything normal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just watched my body. And it's crazy. Oh my god. Oh god. I hope it doesn't go down. Because I'm going to start running. Oh no, stop. Whoa. Huh? This is crazy. I can't believe which kind of day in the life is this. Scary day in the life. Jeez. This is scary. Damn scary. Oh, shut up. Something was crawling in the bush. Like, can you see how? I'm sure I'm going to get a bus that will take me to where I'm going to. This is already 5:31 something. And nobody's out. I'm scared. That's what I'm thinking. And that place is still deep dark. Damn. Crazy. Crazy.
I just came home from my forecast and I just saw my ears and shit and just not that
Hi guys, welcome back to another day in the life of a female forex trader living in Nigeria. So if it's your first time, guys, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. And yes, my name is Mia Forex and I'm documenting my forex trading journey towards becoming a profitable and successful trader. So yes, along my journey I promise to share both the ups and the downs and the challenges of my forex trading journey. And the video you just watched now is the challenge I'm facing with my new job, in the sense that along the journey while sharing my trading journey, I decided to get a part-time job in order to sustain myself financially while I trade the forex market. And yes, today I was given the morning shift to appear at work as early as 6 a.m. so I had to reschedule myself and start waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning in order for me to be able to do my non-negotiables, which are I wake up, I pray, I make my bed, I brush my teeth, I wash my face and wipe, and after I wipe my face, I go get some water to dehydrate myself because I heard it's a good routine to maintain. And after that, I do some minor exercises and stretching and some sit-ups and push-ups. And while doing this, a lot of thoughts are going through my head. What do I want my day to be like, and what am I willing to learn today, and what am I willing to do today? So after that, I head over to my workspace in order for me to go through my journal. And after I go through my journal, I go straight to the Forex factory to check if there's any economic events of the day I should be paying attention to. And after that, I do some forecasting to get myself ready and what I'm expecting in the market.
My focus in this is not going to be thorough because I'm still sticking with the same bias that I have, in the sense that we already, should I say, the wish price to trace grabbed liquidity and push down. So I'm looking forward to more downwards movements from the UK, seeing the candlestick, seeing the should I say the confirmation of the weekly this week. So this is what I look up to, and the ending of the week showing more direction to where the market is pushing down to. So looking forward to this. Interesting. So my hit to, if I take a photo from this high to this low, so I'm going to be clearing all this, just still existing in the same protocol of same perhaps on this high to this low. How about this movement just gets you price retrace back to premium? We'll have this breakout block and also the other block. The price came to hit at the premium and then price reversed back. So this is more like external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. Price took out external range liquidity, took out external range liquidity, and retraced back up for internal range liquidity. Internal range from this is an internal range liquidity. This is an internal range liquidity. External range, I mean, this is external range liquidity, external range liquidity. So we normally know that price goes from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity and then continue for the external range liquidity. So see this as price reacts on the breaker and the OB as it went up, and then as you can see how the body are closing below discounts. And now so what I'm expecting is a bearish price, so price to continuously do what, take out this low. So going down to the 4 hour, going down to the 4 hour, what you can see is your continuous bearish momentum as price retraces back to this C here, closed in this gap already and still came back towards it. So we know that price moves from impulsive corrective then stop trade before price release. So at this point, what I'll be looking forward to is after this impulsive, price may take out this external range liquidity and go up, or price may just push the external range liquidity and trade back up. So I'm expecting to maybe something like price push up to go down, or price may just come for the low, then push up, then perhaps look for the setup here, so then push more down. So that's more like what I'm expecting in price. If you go to my Notion, you see that I still have the same existing protocol or something I'm expecting in price. So I'm going to be joining on my forecast. I'm joining on my forecast for pay. See, if you go from the previous day, let's see. So you can see I'm still existing on the same protocol. So this was, can it be by that if price should use this gap as resistance? So my eyes was on it, and also the bearish was price should now do it sell down. So you can see price already selling down from there. And okay, that was my after, so I was still expecting price to continue to the downside. So yeah, I'm still sticking with my bearish bias and going over to the daily. Okay, I'm expecting to the downside. These and that's what I'm expecting here. As you can see, consolidation, expansion to the upside, and then this is the distribution. So I'm anticipating price to take out this low. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be taking this as the accumulation, which is the consolidation. This is the weekly AMG. This is the consolidation. This is the manipulation phase up to premium. The manipulation phase, and here we have the distribution. So we're still expecting the distribution to continue to the downside, and today is Friday, so we're still expecting distribution to the downside. So we name this accumulation price, should I say, manipulated towards an institutional resistance level, which is what the daily breakout block and order block. And then after that, price did what changing state of delivery, which is what started going to distribute to the downside. I'm expecting price to take out this, and this is the manipulation phase. Manipulation phase, and then this is the distribution for the weekly NMD distribution. So we're still expecting distribution to the downside, more distribution to the downside.
My shoes. Water. Back. This step is so dirty. So early in the morning. This is like you need to watch. You need to watch. Open this gate because it's not gonna be funny this early morning. Jesus, Jimmy, this is freaking scary. Like I've not been in the house was like as early as this morning and it's quite dark and it's rained. Crazy. I just put it in the Caribbean and put it side back. Whoa, guys. Jesus. Just part is more calm. I can't even just walk. I'm not sure I'm going to walk in this dog again. Like this is not so many duty. Fucking calm, guy. No fucking calm. I'm not taking this money into the again. Like how? Maybe it's messed up. Like, okay. No, where am I supposed to go from now? This is the only time I'm saying I don't know. Crazy. I'm not talking this money duty. Yes, yes. Yes, guys, I got safely to the jail, but it was scary as hell. And I'm now seeing particles of people because why I say particles of people is people are not even much, but during the day you can see a lot. Like when I mean a lot of people. It's crazy. Like most times, all these things are just teaching me to, should I say, appreciate what I have, where I am, and where I'm going to. Because I think there are some people that work more hazardous work, like more extreme than mine, okay? But it's just so crazy. Like, I don't even know how to actually say this, but the timing for this kind of job, you just have to appreciate everywhere you see yourself. If you're not actually doing all this, okay, you just have to appreciate yourself and fucking find a way out. Yeah, I know it's not everybody that's going to be a lord, okay? There's still going to be chefs, but why do you want to be average, okay? Just have to fight and not be average. So in as much as you see all these things going through, working out like this, go fight not to be average, because you literally want to be doing this all the days of your life. Seriously? No, that's crazy. You shouldn't. Find something, get something doing, because this is not life. It's not life at all. It's not fucking life. So guys, I'm heading to the job right now, and I hope I have a nice day, and I thank my Heavenly Father for taking me safely in peace, because it was a hell of let's say, day in the life. Alright guys, stay cool. I love you all.